In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace business emails. Google Workspace tutorial 5 minutes. We're setting up professional email for your domain using Google Workspace from first click to sending and receiving messages. Let's keep this straightforward and efficient. Start by heading to the Google Workspace website. On the homepage, choose Get Started or Start Free Trial. Both lead you into the same setup flow, and the trial gives you time to test everything before you commit. You'll be asked for your business name, the number of employees, and your region. Pick the region that matches where your organization operates, as it can affect billing, currency, and certain compliance options. Next, decide whether you want to use an existing domain or purchase a new one. Your domain is what appears after the @ in your email address, so choose something consistent with your brand. If you already own a domain, you'll connect it. If not, you can buy one during setup and keep everything in one place. Create your administrator username and password. This becomes your super user account for managing settings, users, and billing. Use a strong, unique password and save it in a secure password manager. Many teams choose an admin-style username that isn't tied to a single person. Now verify domain ownership. Google will give you a record to add at your domain registrar, typically a TXT record. Open your registrar's DNS settings, paste in the verification record, save, and return to the setup wizard. Verification can be near instant or take a little time to propagate, so be patient. Don't delete that record afterward. It doesn't hurt to leave it. Activate Gmail by updating your MX records. This step tells the internet to deliver mail for your domain to Google's servers. Replace any old MX records with the Google Workspace entries provided in the wizard. If you're migrating from another email provider, schedule this change during a low traffic time and lower your DNS TTL beforehand to speed up the switch. Once Gmail is active, open the admin console and add additional users as needed. Each user gets their own mailbox and login. You can always add more later as your team grows. Create email aliases like support@ or info@ that deliver to a primary inbox. Aliases are free, don't require extra licenses, and help organize inquiries without adding more mailboxes. Finally, choose a subscription plan before the 14-day trial ends. Pick the tier that fits your storage, security, and meeting needs. That's it. Your business email is ready. Send a test message in and out, enable two-step verification for security, and you're good to go.